Welcome to Kee Bass by Martinic. This video is about the download, licensing, and configuration process of Kee Bass. First, we need to go to martinic.com. Here we go to Products. And besides other high-quality products of Martinic, we can find the free Kee Bass here. To get the free Kee Bass, we need to download first the setup, which is here, and afterwards the license, to which we come here to download Kee Bass. We go to download free trial, and it brings us directly to this download area from here. We can choose between Windows or Mac. In my case, we click on Windows. Now the keyboard setup will be downloaded. After downloading the Kee Bass installer, it is recommended to save it in an individual folder or leave it in the Downloads folder. In this folder, this license will be installed too. So in order to install the free license, we need to click on Order Now. Okay, we now can place our order by submitting our email, our first name, and our last name. We need to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy. And if you wish for, you can get updates about our products and offerings. After we have done the ordering, we can download the license now by clicking on Download Now. We now shall have both the setup and the license in one folder. In order to install Kee Bass, we now click on the setup. On Next, we agree to the terms, and we check the license key box. You can choose your destination folder, and we click on Next. Again, the second destination folder for your VST plugin next. The clap folder next. The 64-bit VST2 plugin folder next. Okay, now we can go to the license key file. It's the file you already downloaded, and if you have it in the same folder, the setup can find it easily. If you don't have it in the same folder, you can go to Browse and you can search for your license. Afterwards, we can go to Install, and the setup will install Kee Bass. All right. After downloading Kee Bass, we can launch Pro Tools and start a project by giving it a name and clicking on Create. In the New project, click on Track and then New. Change the new track type from mono to stereo and change audio track to instrument track. Give the track the name Kee Bass and click Create. Next to where you see the track name, add the first insert. Select Multi-Channel Plugin and find the Kee Bass under Instrument. Make sure Track Record is enabled. You can now play the Kee Bass with your MIDI keyboard or mouse. You are now in the keys interface and can flip switches just like on a real Kee Bass. For more advanced settings, you can select the Settings view, we can easily assign these knobs to our MIDI controller by just clicking on this knob. And we can easily map these knobs to our MIDI controller by just clicking on this knob. And now we can see how the color changes when you move a knob on your keyboard and assign it. You can select default presets in the plugin or through Pro Tools like this. If we want to set up an effect, for example an echo or a reverb, we can click on the second insert and select multi-channel plugin and effect. In this case, we choose Lem Echo Music, another high-quality echo plugin from Martinic. You can also select the default preset directly from the plugin. Have fun!